Hi guys! Today I bring you the easy and delicious way of how I prepare this sweet cornmeal, which is excellent for breakfast or dinner, especially on the weekends, and the kids will absolutely love it. If you want to know how I do it, come and hazlo con su. To start, we're going to take a pot and we are going to add 1.5 cups of water. These will be the spices that we're going to be using. I'm going to add 3 cinnamon sticks, 1 teaspoon of cloves, and 1 teaspoon of sweet whole spice. We're going to bring to a boil. Then we will be using this cornmeal. You can also use the masarepa, but this time I am using fine cornmeal flour. I am using 1.5 cups of these, and we are going to let it soak in 3 cups of water. This is what we're going to be using, and remember, I will list the ingredients down in the description box. By now, our spice tea should be boiling, and we are going to remove the cinnamon sticks and we're going to reserve them to use later. We're going to strain it and remove the whole spice and the cloves. We will put the tea infusion and cinnamon sticks back in the pot. We're going to add 2 cups of whole milk, 2 cans of evaporated milk, and 4 tablespoons of butter. If you like coconut, you can substitute a cup of the whole milk for a cup of coconut milk. We're going to stir it a little and we are going to add the sugar. Here I'm using 1/2 cup, but always remember that the sugar is to your taste. With 1/2 cup of sugar plus 1/2 teaspoon of salt, this is perfect to me. You taste it and adjust the flavors if you need it. Now we're going to add the cornmeal that we had soaking, and from this point we're going to stir non-stop. You're going to stir it because if you stop, the texture changes, causing lumps in the cornmeal. And you will notice as time passes that the consistency changes. It turns very thick. And it took me about 15 minutes to reach the desired consistency. And like I told you, non-stop stirring, okay? You might ask, how do you know when to stop stirring and when your cornmeal is ready? Well, you notice that it is boiling, and you can see here that it makes like little bubbles. So at this point, it means that the milk is fully cooked and the cornmeal is just ready. Turn off the heat, but keep stirring at least 2 more minutes, and then it will be time to serve. Here I have to do the hardest part, which is to eat this delicious food. I have to eat this sweet cornmeal that is totally creamy and delightful. This is one of my favorite breakfasts, mainly on the weekends because I have a little bit more time to make it, but you can also prepare it as a delicious dinner. This is how I treat my family every time they want something sweet. This food, I actually grew up eating it because in my country they do it constantly. It is easy, it's cheap, and it's very tasty. And I hope that you try it and that it brings you as many good memories and joy as it does to me. Or create new memories with your family as I do with mine. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share it. If you haven't done so, subscribe to my channel and activate the bell. Also follow me on all my social media at Hazlo con Su. Now you know how I do it. Bye!